Hello again, traders. Right, what you're watching is probably the result of 6 or 7 hours work today, just today. First off, I should say there is a thunderstorm going on. We get thunder and lightning forecast every day, and it's the first time it's happened. You can hear thunder and lightning rumbling away in the distance, but first time it's actually happened over my head, as it were. And some of the thunder and the lightning is just phenomenal. I keep expecting houses and things to explode. But anyway, this is really, really exciting. Because as with a lot of the stuff I do with this EA work, it's often by mistake. The 3crbot is something that trades trends. I was looking at that guy I mentioned in the previous video, what he's flogging and how he flogs it. And I haven't got a clue whether he makes any money. I haven't got a clue. I can't be bothered. I haven't got the time to dig deep into what goes on. I just assume most of the stuff out there doesn't work because, with 20 plus years, probably a good 10 latter years, testing, buying, trashing other people's stuff, and it never works. So I realised that the only way to do something was do it yourself, and that's not the easiest thing for someone like me who's mentally challenged, but in the nicest possible way. Sorry if I sound a bit odd again. I've spent so much time in the seawater. It's given me dry lips. But anyway, I digress. So this mistake has opened up a whole new basket of possibilities, a whole new Pandora's box. So I don't even know. I started it running before I even knew what the end result was going to be. But I'm that confident, having thrown quite a lot of stuff at this, that it was going to be okay. And let's have a look. I don't even know what the numbers are on this. This is a brand spanking new, off the production line set file. So I've set it to run. The reason these numbers are so weird, I've been playing around all day with different brokers, and I set it to run on I don't know, 500 quid or something like that, but just didn't bother to change that. So on a 30 to 1 again. So what are we looking at here? So these don't matter. These numbers mean nothing. 0.17%. What's important is the profit and loss averages, or max. So we're looking at what, 9 nines or 81. So 7 to 1 max to minimum, or max loss, max win, and a 2.5 or 3, nearly 3, 2.8 profit, average profit to loss. So good numbers, and I've been looking for these. I've been trying to shorten the trade time in order to improve, well, the number of trades. I've got to implement weekend trading, so it shuts because of the massive spreads. I was looking into midweek stuff as well. Wednesday, the triple witching hour or whatever they call it. So if possible, I need to reduce the overnight stuff. I don't know. So much that you have to take into account with this stuff. So the way I look at it, if you build a good cushion of error, if you like, with your spreads and your commissions and all that lot, worst case scenario if you can, with a balance on the reward risk side of things as well, then you're going to be all right. So this is nice as well. I hadn't got a clue what it would end up with. 2 wins to 2 losses is good. 3 or 4 losses to 1 win is not good. Preferably 3 or 4 to 2 would be better, wins to losses, but work in progress. Now, I know this mistake will yield, with probably a week or so's more work from me personally, 6 or 7 hours a day, this will yield a dozen minimum, maybe even 3, 4, 5 times that, but a dozen minimum new unique set files. You can hear all the bibbing going on outside. It cracks me up. That will be profitable. So that's it. There's the numbers. You've had plenty of time to study them. That's the graph. As far as I knew when I started this video, this could have just gone like that. But I've done so many modified tests this afternoon that they're all going like that, which is why I posted a tweet saying that we're getting close to the point where I'm happy to market this, if you like, and see where it goes. So and if I can produce 12 from here minimum, and 12 using other USD pairs, and a dozen from JPY pairs, and another 5 dozen from the various indices, you can see where we're going from this. So that's it, guys. I just thought I'd give you a quick update, and it's time the rain stopped actually, but I can still see the lightning out there. Time to go out and get some dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.